It's a baby gator gar, yes! Woo! No way, dude. Good morning, garaholics. My name's Henry Martin. Welcome back to the channel. I was out here fishing and I started seeing some of the absolute smallest alligator gar I've ever seen, so I figured I'd try to hook one up for you guys. This is my rig. I've got a size 4 hook on and a tiny little piece of mullet and my light action rod. So we're gonna get this out and see if I can get one of these little 10, 12-inch gar hooked up for you guys. Another run, right out here where there's more current. I had a fish pick up and then she kind of went over to this little island and now she's over here and she's gonna come back over to the fast current. So I'm just gonna kind of wait for her to level on out and I'm gonna set on her. She's only had it for about 45 seconds or so. Small fish. Still though, pretty cool. All right guys, little 3-foot fish or so. I'm gonna take y'all through my methodology real quick on what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. So whenever I grab them, I'm grabbing them right here and I'm closing their mouth and then I'm just kind of supporting them and I'm sticking them in the front of my boat. I don't really want to mess with this hook, so I'm just gonna cut it. That's why we use a little tiny hook. This fish is pretty small. She's probably just under 3 foot. I get out my tag real quick. You'll notice I kind of have her pinned in here just a little bit with my knees. If you kind of detain her a little bit, she'll actually listen and she won't leave. So, all right, there we go guys, tag's in. Same deal, just gonna kind of clamp her mouth, put her over the side, and there we go. See you, big girl. Hooked in the mouth, little tiny. Wow, look how small you are. Oh, you're gonna jump up and hit me in the face. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys.
Sadly, the file corrupted on that last gar. We got the hook out, got the tag in, and we got her back in the water. She was 33 inches. Luckily, we ended up catching even smaller ones.
All right, guys, we got that little 33-inch gar. We got her on back in the water, and now we're gonna go for an even smaller one and see if we can get one at like 12 inches. I think it'd be really cool to show them off when they're really small. That last one was really cool. That's about the same size I get them out when they're little tiny babies, but I don't think I've ever caught one at like under 18 inches, so let's see if we can get one. Operation Baby Gar has gotten a little bit more interesting. Got a nice storm coming. Got 2 little rods out right here in front of me with little baby chunks. I really just want to get one of these little foot-long alligator gar. I just want to see it. It looks so cute. Some of them look like they might be melanistic too, so I really want to try to get one. All right, guys, I got a little run on the small rod, so we're gonna see if we can catch it. Got it. Now, how big? Doesn't seem very big. This could be my little tiny baby gar. Come on. Come on. That's a crab! No! All right. Not quite what we're after. Get out of here, guy. Come on, man. I thought you were my baby gar. Don't do that. Be gone. Stay on, baby. Be my baby gar. What are you? It's a catfish. Well, that's kind of cool actually. Well, looks like I had a couple of decisions, either sit it out in the rain, kind of let it happen, or run, but I don't think running now is going to help me very much. I'm going to get really wet if I do, so I might as well just sit here, right? Floats down. Oh, I got it. It's big. Oh, is that a gar? I think I caught a gar again. Oh, you still there? Woo! Dang it, she tangled. Man, that could be a pretty good fish, actually. Okay, she's not that big. Still really cool, though. Just get both my rods. No, don't do that. Ah. All right, I got another run on the little baby rod. That's actually kind of big. It might be a red. It's a baby gator gar, yes! Woo! No way, dude. It's so small and cute. Yes. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Stay on, don't come off. I want to see you, little guy. I got one more tag and it's for you. One more little tag and it's for you, little guy. You're so cute. I know some of you guys are probably like, why in the world do you want to catch a baby gar? And really the answer is because people don't really appreciate baby gar. Nobody ever caught a baby tarpon and was like, oh crap, it's a baby tarpon, oh no. Or like a baby sailfish or a baby marlin. Baby fish are really cool. Nobody catches a baby sturgeon and is upset they caught it. So yeah, I wanted to come out here, catch the smallest gar that I possibly could. And here we go. Wow, she's tiny. So cool. So cool. No, I lost her. Crap, guys. That took me like hours to get that little fish, and I lost it. Whoo! That hurts. I know it didn't seem like much, but I really wanted to show y'all one of those up close. Little baby gar. I think that one is probably about 25, 26 inches. That's probably one of the smallest ones I've ever caught, but super cool. She jumped out of the boat. I guess better luck next time, right?